Today we're having a quick look at the Grand Mercure Residences in Bangkok. Tucked away in a quiet corner of Sukhumvit, it's only 10 minutes from the Asok station, so let's check it out. The first thing that you notice when you get to this hotel is how quiet the area is. And you're actually only about a 10-minute walk from Terminal 21 and Asok station, so that can be a very big bonus for many people. Now when you come inside, the lobby is very simple, but the staff are extremely friendly and very happy to help, and after a quick check-in we were off to the room. I had booked an apartment, but this was an even larger one, I believe maybe 10 or so square meters more, so the upgrade was very welcome, but of course I hardly used any of it. As you can see here, this is a very big living room area. There's enough space here for a whole family, although this has actually only got one bed, so you'd have to make sure that you use a sofa or something else. But it does have a balcony, which many hotels don't have in Bangkok, so that's a bonus for some people because you can sit outside there and have a smoke if you want. And here you can see the room. The bed itself actually was really good. It was very big and comfortable. The furniture did look very dated, I do have to say. It did give me some old Mombasa, Kenya hotel style vibes, but it did have some good amenities. As you can see, there were some robes there, and of course the obligatory safe and stuff like that. But the bathroom, also a bit dated, was okay, but you could definitely tell that it needed a bit of an update soon. But in general, I would say that this is, for what you pay, quite good value, especially if you need space. If space is what you really want and what you need, then this is a good choice. But otherwise, for a short stay, you won't ever use all the facilities or all the things in the apartment if you're here only for one night like I was. Now, I did plan to go to the pool and so on, but I never made it there. But I will show you the rest of the hotel room. So here you can see that there's also more stuff in the cupboards, for example ironing boards and so on. Now in the kitchen, this was a really good thing. There's a full-size fridge. That's definitely very useful if you're staying a bit longer. There's my platinum amenity, and I have to say that I was happy that everything was switched on. This doesn't seem to be the case sometimes. There's also a microwave. Didn't use that, of course, because you know there's so much good food around outside. There's a hob there too, also wasn't used. But yeah, for a long stay, as I said, this could be a very good place. Now, one very big bonus about this place, I have to say, which I did use, is right here, and that is the washing machine. Definitely a very big bonus when you don't want to get it done, or you know, if you want to do some daily washing. And yes, that is the whole review of this room. There isn't too much more to say. It is a very nice big room, and the air conditioning is great. In conclusion, I can say that if you want more space and you want to spend a little bit less, this is a great option, especially if you want a quiet little corner where you're tucked away. You can enjoy your time on the little balcony there and also have some dinners that you might even cook yourself. Then this is a very great choice, especially if you're looking to save some money. If you're just coming for holidays for a couple of days, I would probably say there are some better choices in the same price range, but yes. To each his own, I say. And with that, I hope you enjoyed that very short review, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.